Afternoon. So I've literally got no words right now. This is a iconic British manufacturer. This is a luxury saloon car with incredible ride quality, diesel automatic, fantastic specification, 35, yes, £35 a year road tax, decent fuel economy, relatively low running costs, and is just the value proposition on this car just can't be put into words. 5-6 years ago, if you'd have said that you could get one of these for the same price as a Ford Fiesta, most people would have said you're nuts. But here we are. So I'm going to show you the car, talk you around it, and I'm sure you will agree this is, well, again, no words at all. So let me show you around the car. So this is the car. Jaguar XF, 2-litre diesel, prestige model, with some extras, including an opening sunroof. It's also got the suede headline in as well. I think the extras on this car are something around just under £8,000, I think it is. Black with black. You got, as I said in the intro, fantastic ride quality because it's on the 18-inch wheels, so you get the fatter tyres. Power opening boot, keyless entry, keyless start. That classic Jaguar styling. As I walk around, you'll see car's in great condition as well. We've just had the timing chain done on the vehicle, and it's had a full service at the same time and an MOT. 2 keys to the car, and look at it, all shiny. Lights are helping it today as well. It's a bit dull here, but the lights are helping it as well. So that's the outside of the car. On the inside, we've got leather and suede seats, nice trim finish, obviously electric front seats, heated front seats, all the bits you'd expect from a Jaguar. Interior is all good, looking fantastic. Now I know loads of cars have got pan roofs and glass roofs and stuff, but it's not many that you see that actually tilt and slide. Proper old school that is, but very fitting for the car. Obviously one-touch closure, and then you have got a blind on there as well. 81,000 miles on a 2016. You're even getting a free private plate for this with this car. So if the initials fit for you, you've got saved yourself a few quid there as well. If not, obviously it unages the car effectively and makes it look sort of relatively new. Normal Jaguar screen in there. And you've got your navigation and bits and pieces like that. This is not really what makes this car, to be honest. It's just a value proposition for the vehicle. When you can get something this good, with this high specification, looking like this, steering wheel controls. There's another Jaguar on the steering wheel there. There's plenty of Jaguars in this car. Hopefully none of them will eat me. As I said, value proposition is just incredible. When you think about the cost of something like this new to what it is when it's 9 years old, it just amazes me that anybody buys these new, because this now, as I said, it's sub £10,000, same cost as a Fiesta on a 19 plate or something like that. Just incredible. So that's the car. Perfect to be parked up at the golf club, perfect for everyday use, and perfect if you and your good lady or your good man, whichever, want to take a ride to the coast. Perfect for that as well, in that comfort. You've got your sunroof. If it is a little bit chilly, you've got heated seats as well. Just to really do it all car in comfort, and you've got the prestige of that Jaguar badge as well. As I said, value proposition is absolutely incredible. 6 months warranty with this car as always, 12 months AA assistance, and we do offer nationwide delivery and part exchange and finance, so everything there. If you want to check us out, obviously go on the website and have a look. Be delighted to talk to somebody about the car as well. Telephone number is 01206 878 919.